This video, I'm going to show you how to upload PDF file in Canva. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So in the left corner, you can see all these options: templates, elements, brand, upload. So what you have to do is tap in that upload option, and here you can see all the images that I have already uploaded like previously. So you can see upload an image or video option. Let's tap in there. So you can simply tap in this PDF file over here and tap in open, and it's loading. So this is the PDF file. In order to upload it, you can simply tap in here and it will be uploaded here. So this is how you upload PDF file in Canva. It's very simple. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.